So in my hands today, Titleist 909 D3 driver. Looking back now towards a 440 head design. Interesting, maybe going a little bit the other way. I guess the problem the manufacturers have got is once you've hit 460, which is as big as you're allowed to make a driver, there's nowhere else for them to go. They've kind of backed themselves into a corner, so they maybe start going the other way, which is slightly ironic maybe, because they're always changing to try and keep us spending. But here we go, let's see if this one's any good. 909 D3, 440 head design, nice deep face, definitely the better players club, looking to launch it a little bit lower with that smaller head. In my last video I tried the 909D comp, much bigger, gets the ball up in the air, out of this range of drivers certainly. This is the one I imagine you're going to see the really better players using on tour and what have you, who want that lower ball flight. Featuring the Out de la Voodoo shaft, which is all quite nice and fancy looking. Again, reduces spin, more distance, blah blah blah, you know, the same old stuff. So here we go, I'm going to have a go with it, see how it feels. It's a good looking driver, kind of pear shaped head, certainly not stretched back anywhere near as much as the comp and certainly the other drivers out on the market. Sits square, there's even slightly open, half a degree open I think it sits. But here we go, let's have a go. It feels nice in the hands to start. Yeah, see, that's gone forwards. So forwards, I mean it's going forwards, it's not trying to lift up in the air at all for me. You're going to have to be caning one of these quite firm, quite aggressively to be getting the ball getting really high with something with the 440 head design. So let's have another go. It did feel quite nice. Yeah, that's nice. It's a good club. I mean, it's the kind of club I would like to use if I was picking a driver today to hit. I like the slightly smaller shape head. Hitting area basically on the two clubs, so the bigger the comp to this one, feels exactly the same. It's just not stretched back as far as the other ones. Feels nice, goes forward. You do have to be hitting the driver quite well. If you're struggling from any kind of side spin, this one isn't going to help you in any way. But if you're someone who hits a driver nicely, quite straight, looking for distance, good launch, and certainly something that's not too loud and kind of ugly looking, the 909 D3, yeah, like it, nice driver. The Voodoo shaft feels quite good as well. You know, all the shafts to me, to be honest, feel relatively similar unless you start going into really extreme flexes. But I reckon that would be a good driver for Titleist. I like the look of that one.